Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for stopping on by and checking out this video. I was kicking back, relaxing, grabbed my OnePlus 6T, turned it on, went over to my Google app, and this is the first thing I see. Yes, this caught my eye. T-Mobile OnePlus 6T owners reporting success unlocking the phone early. Over at Android Authority. By the way, the Google Pixel 2 XL shooting this video. First video for this device here on my Project 13. So please let me know how everything looks and how everything sounds as far as the audio quality. Users around the web are reporting success getting their T-Mobile OnePlus 6T network unlocked early. Usually you would have to wait 40 days after fully paying off a device for a network unlocked. All users are doing are asking support reps to unlock the device, and most are happy enough to oblige. If you own a T-Mobile OnePlus 6T, your device differs in a few ways from the ones you would buy directly from OnePlus via oneplus.com. One of those notable differences is that T-Mobile variant is both network locked and bootloader locked, right? We know that, right? It says here there are usually 4 steps to attaining a fully unlocked smartphone when you buy directly from T-Mobile. Paying off the device in full, we know that. Requesting a network unlocked, waiting 40 days to get the network unlocked, proceeding with bootloader unlock steps. Okay, we know that. However, it looks like many OnePlus 6T users who purchased the device from T-Mobile are having success completely skipping the third step, which is waiting the 40 days. You can see a collection of the user comments from around the internet compiled at, I don't know how to say that, Peunica, the Peunica web, I don't know. I'll leave a link for this article so you can head over to that website, which expresses their success. How do they do it? Most say that they simply ask a T-Mobile support rep if they could skip the 40-day period, the 40-day wait period, right? And the rep was happy to oblige. Others used excuses such as upcoming international travel or moving to a new location, which also resulted in the rep obliging the request. There have also been reported situations where the reps declined to unlock the device or were, for whatever reason, unable to, but it appears that the majority of users are finding success with this method. However, do keep in mind that there's no point in asking to have your device network unlocked if you haven't already fully paid it off. I have fully paid mine off. Mine is totally paid off. So I'm actually going to call tomorrow. I'm not going to make up some excuse like this. I'm going to be honest. I'm just going to say, hey, I've been a T-Mobile customer for a long time. Is there any possible way? And who knows? Maybe they will, huh? Let's see. Users with the device purchased as a cash sale or equivalent will be able to get unlocked. Once your T-Mobile OnePlus 6T is network unlocked, you can use the device on another carrier, unlock the bootloader, root the device, flash custom ROMs, etc. These are helpful instructions on how to do so over at XDA Developers. Anyway, I don't want to go over there. Accidentally clicked on that. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you because if you have a T-Mobile OnePlus 6T like I do, and you want to try to get it unlocked, call your T-Mobile rep and ask. The worst that can happen is you get a no. But I'm actually going to try it tomorrow. There's a group of T-Mobile reps that work in Salem, Oregon that know me pretty well when I call over there for any assistance. And who knows? Who knows? Shout out to the T-Mobile reps over there. They may do it for me. I'll let you know. And please let me know down below if it works for you in this video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Again, that article will be down below in the description area. Peace. I'm out. God bless.